Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept three integers n, x, and y, and it must print the integers from 1 to n except the multiples of x and y. The program must accept three integers n, x, and y and print the integers from 1 to n except the multiples of x and y. Now let us consider our test case for better understanding. So this is our first test case. Here n is equal to 25 and x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. So we have to print from 1 to 25 except the multiples of 5 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 5. 6, 7, 7 also will not be printed. It is also multiple of 7. So 8, 9, 10 will not be printed. 11, 12, 13, 14 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 7. So 15 also will not be printed. It is a multiple of 5. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 5. So 21, it will also will not be printed because it is a multiple of 7. So 22, 23, 24 and 25, this will not be printed because it is a multiple of 5. So this will be our required output. Now let us consider for our another test case. In this test case, n is equal to 20, x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 3. So we have to print from 1 to 20 except the multiples of 10 and 3. So 1, 2, 3 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 6 will not be printed. 7, 8, 9 will not be printed. And 10 also will not be printed. It is a multiple of 10. So 11, 12 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 3. 13, 14, 15 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 3. 16, 17, 18, 18 will not be printed. 19 and 20, 20 will not be printed because it is a multiple of 10. So this will be our required output. Now let us implement our logic using C programming language. We are given some predefined code. Our task is to fill these dashes so that our code will execute successfully. So inside the main function we are declaring three integers n, x and y, and we are getting input from the user. Now after getting the input we are running a for loop which runs from val1 to n, and here we are having some if condition and we are printing the val. So our task is to print the val from 1 to n except the multiples of x and y. So we have to fill this condition so that the multiples of x and y should not be printed. So you have to fill some conditions so that this printf statement should not be executed for the multiples of x and y. So val modulo x equal to 0 or val modulo y equal to 0. So here val is a multiple of x or y. So here you have to write a statement so that this printf statement should not be executed. So let us write continue statement here. This continue statement goes to the next iteration of the for loop so that this printf statement will not be executed. So it runs through the entire for loop and finally we are printing the val. So this will be our required code.